Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cornbread in a Dutch oven. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a perfect golden brown loaf every time. We'll start by gathering all our simple ingredients, from the cornmeal and flour to the buttermilk and eggs. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on this comforting classic. Now that your ingredients are ready, let's mix up this wonderful batter. First, combine all the dry components in one bowl, ensuring they are well distributed. Then, in another bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients until smooth. Gently fold the wet into the dry, mixing just enough to combine. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread, so a light hand is key for that tender, crumbly texture we all love. With your batter mixed, it's time for the magic to happen in the Dutch oven. Carefully pour the batter into the hot pot, then secure the lid tightly. This creates a perfect baking environment, ensuring even cooking and a beautiful crust. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, revealing a golden brown top. Your delicious cornbread is almost ready to enjoy. After baking, carefully remove the Dutch oven and let the cornbread rest inside for about 10 minutes. This crucial cooling time allows the structure to firm up, making it easier to slice without falling apart. Then, carefully lift it out, slice into 8 generous pieces, and serve warm. It's perfect with a pat of butter or a drizzle of honey. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.